So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to file or add a 1099 in TurboTax. So first, you just have to go to your TurboTax account, and once you access it, navigate to the tax home section and you will see this page. After that, you will see personal information, wages and income, deductions and credits, and many more. So you just have to click under the wages and income, and once you click on that, select the button which is the Add My Income. After that, you will be going to click the I'll answer later button, and once you click on that, a bunch of options will pop in, but you just have to click the I'll answer later button again. Then you will see in this page, which is, it will ask you if you own a control of a foreign bank account or trust financial asset. Just select on the no button and click on the continue. And then as you can see, you will see this page, which is under the 1099. You just have to click the on start for you to able to add or file that one on your TurboTax. And then as you can see, you should click the start button beside the interest on 1099 INT. And then after that, you are going to scroll it down until you see this button, which is the yes button. And after that, you already filed or add your TurboTax 1099. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.